Welcome to DJ's Prestigious Sports. We've just acquired this lovely looking 18 registered BMW 116D. It's the M Sport. There's not many of these about, especially with the upgraded diamond cut alloy wheels. It's a facelift model. It's in lovely condition. The blue calipers as well. It's got rear park distance control. The M Sport body styling kit with a rear deeper diffuser. As you can see, it's in lovely condition. It's just arrived. The wheels are going to be refurbished. Boot area is in lovely condition. I'm just giving you a quick snapshot of the car. So we've just had it come in. It's got the full leather interior with blue stitch piping. That's rare as well. The satellite navigation. It's only done 44,777 miles. Satellite navigation, so it's fully loaded. Climate control, air conditioning, different driving styles, full iDrive with media pack as well, comms, Bluetooth connectivity, does have a USB port as well. It's got cruise control, automatic headlights, Harman Kardon. Really nice high spec car. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.